Taka senchira y'obwikiranu korwase county ya Kisii awase abawakili korwase urusagia rwa South Nyanza baba wesokia ritko lyalera sentunda yende na gukora okurobekana ase umucyobosongo asokugania korwabisi komo Land Registrar jalsa yenda kubwatkana na mumocho yobokoreri ase ensembe yo yendemiro nigobo igo babere bakomochia abarayi gosabateneri balia bakobakania gukora okurobekana yendo bateri na wekabagendere korobekana Oika omobiso yo obeire ga korwa bisyo muri keito Mildred Momanyi norboti orwaso bwikirano no korobekana okukwene kigwa imeyo mucyobusongo amona abawakili kurwa urusagia rwa South Nyanza ase ntunde yende ya kabere imeye county ya Kisii ase kirenga kyabo ekene okomorusia Land Registrar we county ya Kisii Charles yenda ase bakwanira igoro ya mamocho alia akogera bamurusia bisi kolengana na barbo
Land Registrar oyaba advocate twa kolira mandamano rero lyabere ya kabere Land Registrar etokobori buna arusiguga asarenge korwa igakorete obokoreri butaisa negeti abantu banyandarwa ekerare tubosongo okire namachiko nechinchira ekizitaisa negeti aba advocate na abanyana bamiliki bamareko agendenka aruga musitariye dumping site yaba officer bari batabwati obokoreria bogoisana ebirero byeto nebimo ayenda arwase Land Registrar abosongo obokoreri gore bobobuya.
We have severally tried to engage him. Officially, we have done letters through our chairperson, LSK. He had declined the meeting. He himself scheduled a meeting, but he did not attend. He did not honor his own meeting that he scheduled, claiming that he was in another meeting and he could not make it. So he has even gone further to insult the advocates of the Southwest branch that we are fraudsters, and therefore people, why we are here is because citizens trust us with their briefs. Those briefs are not ours. When they trust us with our expertise, they expect that we do due diligence and give them the services that they deserve.
He needs to be reminded that the same things that he was doing in Nyandarua, that he was forced to leave, he cannot bring them here. And Kisii cannot be a dumping site for rogue officers.
Nigo abawakili abo bamomochire omo OCSW county job onyapindi ase okubatanga gukora okurobekana ase kimbabwate obusibole bwabo na kubarutera ebireli maiso ose Teargas eyo erema minchaneli chiko
Dero nande ntwarora amandamana ito twari guchaka kurwe court twarwete notice esaine lakini twakwa Teargas njo manyene napi mwe Teargas yankuna twabwata bobe nonde ngo twabegete bintu toko gechibibu choka enere esila yagara nakwe Teargas.
No matter how many days the police are going to riot, we are going to give this push to the end until Ayenda goes.
He actually notified us the law requires. We were not seeking permission from him. This will not stop us from going on. We will proceed, we will continue. We will fight for our rights. We will clean this county to be a best place for everyone.
Nigo igo ba musabire umurai wense ya Kenya William Samoei Ruto wesonania eliyokwenekya Land Registrar oyo oruro bisi eliyo barabu konyora obokoreri obuya ase kyabisi ekyo ase igo ba muchya abarayi bali abagotema guturubania okurobekana kwabo.
Mmoja wetu ni wakili lakini yeye ni mjumbe wa South Mogrango Silvanus Osoro. Alitutishia katika grupu yetu ya WhatsApp kwamba wacha tuone chenye kitatokea. Yale yenye metokea sisi tunamuhold Osoro and the OCS Kisii responsible for what has befallen peaceful lawyers who are demonstrating in Kisii town.
Na sisi tunataka kuuliza mtukufu Rais William Samoei Ruto, tunakupenda kama rais wetu wa Kenya. Toa huyu mtu kwa ofisi vile ulifanya huko Nyandarua. Mwezi utuletea wale watu ambao wameshindwa kufanya kazi ndio mtuletea kwetu hapa.
Kulipotelea Egetaseni kia Ndizi TV iliyetaliane Mildred Momanyi.